Hello. Today I will explain you in simple words what is metabolism. Well, if you're aging, your metabolism slows down. Unfortunately, this also reduces the process of losing weight if you're intending to. But fortunately, there are ways to boost your metabolism. But what is actually metabolism? It is directly linked to burning calories in your body and consists of mainly three processes. The conversion of food into fuel that your body uses as an energy. Then the process of converting that food to building blocks. And thirdly, the process of removing the waste from your body. So all those three processes combine to form your metabolism. Hello! Today I will share what I do to increase my metabolism. Well, here are a few tips. I take microwalks, 100 steps after every meal. I take meals throughout the day, about 5 or 6 times a day, and that increases my metabolism. I keep on sipping water throughout the day, cold water or warm water. That increases my metabolism. And when I wake up in the morning, I take warm water and add a little bit of lemon juice to it, and that increases my metabolism. Green tea and black coffee, that increases my metabolism. Hello. Today I'm going to talk about microwalks. What are microwalks? Well, these are small walks that you take throughout the day. You split that time of walking into small bits and do them throughout the day. The best time is after having your meal. So every time you take that meal, let's say about 5 or 6 times in a day, after that you take 100 steps. Just 100 steps is enough. Yes, that will be enough to increase your metabolism and help you in reduce weight quickly and efficiently.